In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Gmail remotely. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. And this will open a small account panel where you can access your Google account settings. From that panel, click Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your Google account dashboard where you can manage security, devices, and other account settings. Next, look at the left sidebar and click the Security and Sign In tab. This section shows important information about how your account is being accessed. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Your Devices, which shows where you're currently signed in. In that section, click the Manage All Devices link. This will open a page that lists all devices and browser sessions currently connected to your Google account. Each entry usually shows the device type, browser, and the last time it was active. This helps you identify which sessions you may want to remove. From the list, click on the specific device or browser session you want to sign out of. Once the device details open, click the Sign Out button. A confirmation pop-up window will appear to make sure you want to end that session. Click Sign Out again to verify the action. After confirming, that device will immediately be signed out of your Google account. If you see other devices or browser sessions that you no longer use or don't recognize, simply repeat the same steps. Click the device from the list, select Sign Out, and confirm the action. This is especially helpful if you previously signed in on a shared computer or public device. Once you've removed the sessions you no longer need, your account will remain active only on the devices you currently trust and use. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.